Never have I ever gotten or given a blowjob while driving.
Yo, those questions are funny though. They are really funny.
You should drink.
Oh. What's up, WenSquad? I'm glad to be back with you with another video. So today's video is gonna be about never have I ever with
Kayla.
So the rules are like, if I did it, I'm gonna have to drink some of this water right here, and if I didn't do it,
you don't drink.
Exactly. So let's get right into it. All right. Never have I ever have a threesome. Okay. Never have I ever had sex with someone at least 5 years younger than you. Okay. Never have I ever had sex with someone I wasn't attracted to because I wanted to get laid that badly.
That is desperate. Why would you do that?
You never know. People might be horny as fuck. Shoot.
Just get lotion.
Lotion? Never have I ever performed a striptease for someone. You should have opened that bottle of water earlier though.
For what?
Let me open mine just in case. Alright, so how many questions is that?
Like 5.
God damn. So I'm gonna ask you like 10 and you ask me 10, so that's how you're gonna go. Alright, so never have I ever had a webcam sex. Okay. Whew. It's getting hot in here. I'm sweaty.
I wonder why.
I don't wanna go there. Never have I ever faked an orgasm.
I'm too nice.
Okay.
What's the problem?
Never have I ever given or received a purely sensual massage. Never have I ever had sex with my best friend. What you look at me for?
You should drink.
No, you're gonna have to ask me a question later on. It's your turn now.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, how many questions is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Shit. I guess we will do 2 more. Cause I wasn't paying attention to how many questions I was asking you, so. Never have I ever played a sex game with someone.
No, that's creepy.
How is that creepy?
Like, what kind of game?
You know. You should know that more than me.
No, not really.
You're a woman, so.
Nah.
What you mean, not really? Okay. Alright, so that's the last one. Never have I ever on any kind of sex toys. Alright, that's it. So it's your turn. Whew. It's about to get really spicy in here.
Okay. You'll be on E by the time this is over. Never have I ever been blindfolded during sex. Never have I ever.
I gotta see what I'm doing, you feel me? Shoot, I don't know if you're gonna put me like,
But that's exciting.
I guess so.
Never have I ever watched porn with someone.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. So if I'm watching a movie,
Mm-hmm.
they have like a sexual part, like in the movie. Is that considered as porn too?
If it's like,
Cause I don't watch porn, so
if it's detailed, yes, it counts.
I guess so. I needed that water.
Never have I ever had sex in my parents' bed.
No, that's disrespectful, man.
Never have I ever had sex with someone who's in a relationship. Side boy now?
I don't want to go into
Oh,
details.
Okay. You should be ashamed.
Yo, so if somebody like, asks you for a favor, you're not gonna...
No?
I mean,
like,
shit,
why don't you go-
I didn't know.
No.
Listen. I didn't know if the person was in a relationship until like I found out myself. You feel me? So don't blame me now.
Okay, that's a little different.
All right.
Never have I ever enjoyed giving oral sex.
Sometimes it can be good, sometimes it can be bad. So.
Never have I ever thought of someone else during sex.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. Your boy was thirsty, man.
That's bad.
It's hot in here. This question making me hot. Hold on.
Never have I ever laughed or cried during sex. Which one was it?
Yo, I laugh. Like, I don't cry, but I laugh. Whenever that, like, when that thing is really good, you gotta laugh, man. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about, so. What?
Never have I ever thought about becoming a porn star.
Oh, no, man.
You can make money.
I know, but I'm not gonna put like myself out there like that. Shoot. Nah, I really will do something else to get that money. You feel?
Never have I ever
Well,
gotten...
how many questions have you?
I don't know.
Shoot, I will take 3 more.
Okay. Never have I ever gotten or given a blowjob while driving.
Yo, those questions are funny though. They are really funny.
You should drink.
Oh, whoa, hold on. Why you telling me to drink? Like, do you know? Do you know what I've been doing or something?
You almost crashed, didn't you?
Yeah. You should check in front of my car.
Oh my God.
No, I'm playing.
I don't like that one.
Alright, so two more, right?
Ooh. Never have I ever been dominated.
Yeah. Damn.
See?
Halfway, man. Like, damn. You probably were lying about your answer.
No?
Alright.
No, that's not a good one.
That's the last one anyway, you feel me? So, let me see. There you go.
Never have I ever been spanked during sex.
Oh, hell no. No.
You sure?
Hold on. Why are you asking me if I'm sure? Huh? Nah,
I mean, it's possible.
Damn. I know you're probably having a bad thinking about me now, man. I'm not a bad boy, alright? I'm a good man, alright?
But you're like half full, half empty.
That's not bad. Come on, man. At least I was being honest, yo. Look at that, man. Like, look, it's like right there. At least I was being honest. So don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, man. We out.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dawg. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never